Shelli Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to my home in Solana Beach, California, where you are always welcome. So if you're watching this, you love peanut butter cookies, and you probably are also cognizant of the fact that we don't want to eat sugar nor gluten. So you are in luck today. Today are my 6-ingredient peanut butter cookies. They are sugar-free, they are gluten-free, and they are delicious. These are a take on my 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies that are in my forthcoming 28-day California Sugar Cleanse book that comes out April 21st. Now, if you haven't signed up to be notified for it, sign up in the comments because you're going to get to be a member of our private Facebook group only for Sugar Cleanse members. So let's wash our hands. I'm gonna change out of this and let's make peanut butter cookies. Okay, ladies, and those are our sugar-free, gluten-free peanut butter cookies, only 6 ingredients, and takes maybe, 15 minutes to bake and about 10 minutes to eat them. And this is Oliver, and he comes when I'm baking cookies. Would you like to try?
Yeah, sure.
What are we trying?
Peanut butter cookies.
That's right. Ding, ding, ding. What do they taste like?
That's very good. That's what tastes like peanut butter.
Chewy, dense.
Yep, filling, peanut buttery.
Okay, so for this recipe, go down under the comments and you can see the recipe. But if you want this and other amazing recipes, go to AnnieParkerConfidential.com. What's the web address?
AnnieParkerConfidential.com.
He's listening, and I'll see you on the blog.
Okay, back to my life.